Hangover? We've all been there. The pounding headache, the queasy stomach, and that classic "I'll never drink again" moment. But what if there was a simple way to bounce back faster, or even prevent it in the first place? The answer? Yogurt. Packed with probiotics, yogurt restores balance to your gut, calming the chaos alcohol leaves behind. But it doesn't stop there. Eating yogurt before drinking helps coat your stomach with protein and fats, slowing alcohol absorption and reducing its harsh effects. And the morning after, yogurt stabilizes blood sugar, replenishes lost nutrients like potassium and magnesium, and even helps your liver detox with amino acids like cysteine. So, whether it's before the party or the morning after, grab some yogurt. Your gut, your head, and your body will thank you.